So you also mentioned during the talk that you have to like go through all the touch points that your prospect is going through. Then this comes a massive problem of attribution. Okay.
Yeah.
Which channel converted? Which channel didn't convert? Was it in person? Was it search? Was it this? Was it that? And that we've talked to many people, and we feel like, okay, nobody knows. Nobody has a clue. It's still in the air. What are your thoughts about that? And how is Marketo handled?
So let's talk about it. So people generally don't do proper attribution. Yeah, they pretty much skip on it. They do what I would call lazy attribution. Or we'll assign it all to the first touch, or we'll assign it all to the last touch, or some pretty basic model, because that's all their systems can handle, or it's all they want to sit and think about. Because attribution isn't quite as important as they think it is, and so it doesn't get the recognition it does. And there are a fair number of our clients who really don't bother. We started looking at attribution maybe 10 years ago in the honest sense of the word, and we started to try and build some more complex models inside the Marketo alone, for example. And then while I was still at Marketo, we acquired a company called Visible. And Visible provides you with custom touch attribution models. So you can build the attribution model of your dreams, if you like. It allows you to have multi-touch attribution that you can mix and match to follow whatever model you wish, as well as having 6 or 7 standard models that you can just flip between in real time. And it allows you to look at both online and offline campaigns and efforts. And it's sort of fairly agnostic to where your data sits. So it doesn't matter what your CRM is. It doesn't really matter what your marketing automation system is. It ties itself very well with those. So that product's evolved into a product called Marketo Measure, which we've continued to invest in. It's available as a standalone solution. It's also available embedded inside Marketo. And that actually is now enhanced by being able to be tied to our CDP, our real-time CDP data source. Not just to one CRM system. So we can bring multiple systems, multiple CRMs into our CDP, and then use that data to drive our attribution models. But we can also use the AI that's built into our CDP and into inside of Marketo Measure to have AI-driven attribution. So we can start to think what might happen, to look at history to see what might happen, and make some informed guesses of where this might be heading. And so it's a lot more flexible, a lot more intelligent. It picks up on better intent data, better propensity data, and so on, built on real data that you hold, or real data you can get access to, and what AI is interpreting and developing and learning from. So yeah, it's very much a future for us. It's improved what's in our standard product, but it's also improved what's in our standalone attribution tool. Whether you buy that with or without Marketo, or whether you have another tool, then you can still use it. And now it's gone one stage further. We actually now have a tool which is based on our platform as a whole called Mix Modeler, which allows you to basically build some really complex attribution around what's going on with your advertising activity and touch points against your physical marketing based touch points, and pulling all those together to create ad hoc reporting and modeling environments for you to analyze. So yeah, it's something which is getting bigger and bigger for us, and a very important what we do. But we want to encourage everyone to do it. So inside of standard Marketo, there is some better than average attribution reporting, just in the choice of reporting options that come with Marketo as standard.